Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to account for tax refunds or credits. If your business receives a tax refund, for example, overpayment of sales tax or input value-added tax credits, here's how to record it in Wave. Go to Transactions and then click Add Income. Then you're gonna fill out the refund information. You're gonna fill out the description, the date, category, total amount received, and deposit account. Next, adjust your sales tax reports. Now the refund will show under input tax adjustments or in your general ledger as reduced liabilities. 4. Track refund sources. Now you can use notes in the transactions or attach supporting documents to remember the origin of the refund. Quick note, tax refunds should not be recorded as sales or other business incomes unless advised by a tax professional. That's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.